80 minus 100 divided 5 times 2. How do you solve this? Options are A 70, B minus 8, C 40, D 10. What is the correct answer? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. Now here, if you start solving from the beginning, then we have 80 minus 100, that will give you negative 20, because 80 is positive and 100 is negative. That means you have $100 of debt and you are only returning $80, so you are still in debt of $20. Then divided by 5 times 2 minus 20 divided by 5, it will be minus 4, then times 2, because 5 is positive and this is negative. We convert division into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. So we write reciprocal of 5, that is 1 upon 5, and minus times plus is equal to minus. So the sign will be negative. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So minus 4 times 2, we get minus 8. In that case, we are getting minus 8 as our answer. But is this the correct answer? No, this is not the correct answer, because this is not the correct order of solving the question. This question should be solved based on order of operation, and that order of operation you can remember through a mnemonic called Pemdas. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can also follow Pedmas, parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponents, orders, indices, roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. In parenthesis also, there are three kinds of parenthesis. This is the smaller bracket, this is the curly bracket, and this one is the box bracket. So first solve the smaller, then the curly, and then the box bracket. Here in this question, there is no bracket or parenthesis. We have subtraction, division, and multiplication. But you can see that subtraction is at the end, whether you follow Pemdas or Pedmas. So subtraction is at the end. So this subtraction will be done at the end. After subtraction, there is division and multiplication. But you see, in Pemdas, M is written first and then there is D. So what if you solve multiplication first? What will be the answer? So we'll do 80 minus 100. We will write as it is. Then divided by 5 times 2 is 10. Then 80 minus 100 divided by 10 is 10. And then 80 minus 10 is 70. So you get 70 as your answer if you follow Pemdas and the letters in the Pemdas. But what if you follow Pedmas, in which D is written first? In that case, you will have to do the division first. So what you will do, 80 minus 100, then 100 divided by 5 will be 20. So you write 20, then times 2. Now subtraction will be at the end. Before subtraction, we will have to do multiplication. So 20 times 2 is 40. Now 80 minus 40 is 40. So you are getting two answers. One is 70, another is 40. Which one is the correct answer? What do you think? Correct answer as per Pemdas gives you 70, as per Pedmas gives you 40. There should be one correct answer. How can you get that one correct answer? You can if you follow the rule of left to right. So let's say you follow Pemdas. Let's take another example. You have 100 or you have 2 divided 4 times 2. We have division and multiplication. Which operation to do first? We resolve this by using left to right method. So from left to right, we have division first. So we will solve division first, even though in Pemdas M is written first. So 2 divided by 4 will be 2 upon 4, then times 2, and then it is 2 times 2 is 4 upon 4. Answer will be 1. What if we have plus 2 or minus 2 like this, or we have 2 minus? In that case also, this left to right, this choice is between division and multiplication. This subtraction will always be at the end of division or multiplication. Division and multiplication will always have priority over subtraction or addition. Consider you are following Pedmas. In Pedmas, D is written first and then there is M, and you have question like 100 times 2 then divided by 10. In that case, from left to right, we have multiplication first. So we will do multiplication first even though D is written first. So whether you follow Pedmas or Pemdas, if you follow this left to right rule, you will get correct answer each time. So 100 times 2 will be 200. Then 200 divided by 10 is 20. If you don't follow this left to right rule, in that case, what will be the answer? 100 times 2 divided by 10 will be 2 upon 10. 0 0 gets cancelled. You are getting 20 as your answer, but this is the coincidence that you are getting 20 as your answer and you are following Pedmas. If you don't follow this left to right rule, you will get stuck in any other question, just like this example. For example, you have 100 divided 5 times 2, this one here, and you are following Pemdas. Then you are doing multiplication first, so it will be 100 divided by 10, and then you have 10 as your answer. But we will have to follow left to right rule. If you follow left to right rule, you will do the division first. 100 divided by 5 is 20, then 20 times 2 is 40. So this part will give you 40 if you follow left to right rule. So in some questions where you follow Pedmas or Pemdas, by coincidence you may get correct answer, but in others you will get stuck if you don't follow this left to right rule. Now here you can see we are getting two different answer. In one method we are getting 70 as our answer. In one method 40 as our answer. Which will be the correct one? Let's solve it again. 80 minus 100 divided by 5 times 2. We will start doing left to right. So 100 divided by 5 will be 20. Then times 2. Now before subtraction you do multiplication. So 80 minus 20 times 2 is 40. 80 minus 40 is 40. So correct answer will be C, 40 and not 70. What is the correct answer as per you? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.